slow roasted thyme and oregano lamb leg. Start by preheating the oven to 150 degrees Celsius, then heat a large frying pan over high heat. Season the lamb with salt and pepper. Sear the lamb, turning for 10 minutes or until brown all over. Transfer to a plate. Add the stock and wine, or extra stock if using, to the pan and bring to a boil. Place the onions, garlic, thyme, oregano and rosemary in a roasting pan. Top with the lamb. Pour in the stock mixture and cover with foil. Pop in the oven and roast, basting occasionally with pan juices for 4 hours. Increase the oven temperature to 220 degrees Celsius. Uncover the lamb and roast for another 30 minutes or until the lamb is golden brown and caramelised. Partially cover with foil and set aside for 15 minutes to rest. Transfer the lamb and vegetables to a serving platter. Serve with roasted potatoes and scatter with thyme sprigs and oregano leaves. Thyme and oregano add delicious flavour to this slow roasted lamb. Try it for your next Sunday roast.